everyone, I welcome you all to today's focus of the day session. Today we are going to talk about Hariyali Mahotsav. It is celebrated across India to recognize the important role played by the forest or greenery, that is Hariyali, in bringing the ecological balance and providing several ecosystem services to the earth. We shall be covering this topic in the following sequence. First of all, we shall be figuring out why it is in news right now. Then we shall be looking forward to understand more about Hariyali Mahotsav, and therefore we shall be following certain key points related to it. Thereafter, we will look at the importance of Hariyali Mahotsav, followed by mains and prelims based practice questions for you. But before that, I want you all to know about the Mains 8 2022 program, wherein you can get help for polity, essay, public administration and ethics to improve your score in the upcoming mains examination. Do check out the details over here and apply soon to avail the early bird discount. Right? Getting back to the topic, why it is in news. So Hariyali Mahotsav is set to be organized on 8th July 2022, that is today itself. Event will be held by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change at Talkatora Stadium in New Delhi. The Mahotsav is being organized to create awareness about the importance of trees and green cover to protect our environment against air pollution, global warming and such other problems, right? The key points related to Hariyali Mahotsav. So Hariyali Mahotsav or the tree festival is being organized to create awareness about the importance of trees in sustaining not only the life of the present generations but also to secure the future of forthcoming generations. As we all know, trees and forests play a very crucial role in maintaining ecological balance and contribute to the environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, climate amelioration, conserving water, preserving soil and supporting the wildlife as well, right? Now, organized by, so the Hariyali Ka Amrit Mahotsav is being organized by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in collaboration with the state governments, police institutions, schools of Delhi for undertaking plantation drives on this occasion. Also, Hariyali Ka Amrit Mahotsav or Hariyali Ka Mahotsav will be organized under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, right? So this is one festival being celebrated under the ambit of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and that is why the ceremonial plantation drives are being organized with participation of 75 Nagar throughout the country, 75 police stations, 75 schools in Delhi NCR and 75 degraded plantation sites in different states as part of this Mahotsav. Why so much 75? Yes, because it's 75 years of our independence that we are celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav for, and this particular festival falls under the ambit of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav only, right? So this Mahotsav marks the endeavor to plant saplings in order to invest towards building a secure future for future generations to come. And the event symbolizes a unison. Look at this. So many places from different parts of the country, right? So this event symbolizes a unison of nation coming forward and engaging in mass plantation drives at various levels to increase the green cover of the country with the help of mass media, civil societies, schools and colleges, right? Now let us understand the importance of Hariyali Ka Amrit Mahotsav or Hariyali Mahotsav. Trees play extremely important role in mitigating adverse effects of climate change. This Mahotsav is perceived as an effective tool to instill enthusiasm among masses for forest conservation and planting trees. It holds immense importance in complementing the policy and program initiatives of the government towards environmental conservation, right? So this is the importance of why we are celebrating this greenery festival, this tree festival, this Hariyali Mahotsav, right? This particular event, let me tell you, is being held in the august presence of Shri Bhupendra Yadav, Honorable Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Labour and Employment Minister Shri Ashwini Kumar Chaubey, Honorable Minister of State, Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Miss Leena Nandan, Secretary, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and Shri C.P. Goyal and other senior officers of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change will also participate in this particular event, right? So various dignitaries and honorable people are going to be present in this celebration. This tells us about the crucial place it holds right now for the country and for the world itself. Fine. Now let us look at the prelims practice question. Who is organizing Hariyali Mahotsav 2022? Your options are A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, B. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, C. Health and Family Welfare Ministry, and D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. You need to write the correct option in the comment box below. And now it's time to look at the mains practice question. The question for today is public awareness and participation is essential to tackle the ongoing climate change. People need to be trained and taught the practices to mitigate it and adapt to it. What mitigate it and adapt to it? Mitigate it and adapt to it is written for the climate change, right? At the same time, elucidate. Fine. So you have to write this particular answer in 250 words and send in your answers to us on WhatsApp to get it reviewed. Till I shall see you again tomorrow. Till then, thank you so much for joining in. Take care and stay tuned.